Hello everybody, in this video we will make your first web application. If you are totally new to programming or you don't have any background in programming in general, then you are on the right place. I will cover basic to basic, and in the last we will deploy our project to the internet using GitHub pages. So first you need a Visual Studio Code. It's a text editor, means where we can write our code in. Okay, type Visual Studio Code. After typing it, click the first link, let it load, then download for Windows or whatever you are using. Then it should start your download. After downloading it, it's really easy. Okay, wait, let's finish till it's downloaded. After downloading it, then double click on it and it should open up a window. Then click run, then say I agree, I accept the argument. Now create a desktop icon if you're in first, then click next. Check this out, next, install, then it will start installing. It will take some time, so wait. After installing, then click finish. You should see something like this. Then go to the files, then go folder, to open up your folder directory, then make a new folder. I will go to my YouTube tutorial file, then create a new file called make a first website real. I will select the folder. Now this is Visual Studio Code. Then you should see something like this. Then you should create a file over here. Create a file named index.html. HTML stands for, oh wait, what's happening? Okay, HTML stands for hypermarkup language. Okay, now HTML stands for hypermarkup language. The name index is special. When a user on your website comes to your website, then index.html will first render. Okay, so it's really important. Then go to your extensions bar, install live preview, then click install. After installing it, you should see something like, let's just go, let's see something like this. After coming to your file, if it doesn't come, then close your Visual Studio Code, then open it again. Okay, now we will say HTML. This is our, let's start our coding. HTML. Okay, we are now opening an HTML tag with greater and less symbols. Now we are closing the tag, okay, by slash the symbols, now the slash. We are basically saying that to the HTML that we are now starting to create an HTML application or web application. Okay, so now we can say body and head. A closing and starting tag, always remember to close it and then the starting tag. In the body we can say, for example, h1. Okay, now for example, first go to your this show preview. After clicking it, it will show your website's preview. Copy the URL and paste it to your browser. This is our website. Okay, now you will probably want things or text to be in the website, so we can say like h1 h1 and say hello world, this is my first website, for example. Okay, for example, I say hello world, this is my first website. After doing your thing, after coding, then press Ctrl S to save. Okay, now go to your website. Now you can see the preview over here too. Now there's h1. h1 stands for heading 1. Okay, heading 1. Heading 1 is the largest heading and an HTML. Okay, you can say heading 2. Heading 2 is smaller than heading 1. This is heading 2, and it still goes to heading 6. Heading 6, this is the smallest text in the headings. Okay, in the heading. Now we can say h2, h1, this all till 7. 6. If we say 7, for example, 7 h7, can say 7 does not exist, sc 7. Now see, you can type things, but it's a normal size because 7 does not really exist. Now we will delete those. Hello world, we will say in comma. Okay, in comma. For here we will say br. Br stands for breakdown, or sorry, break row, and create a new row for the website. Okay, so we can say br. Now it's good. br, the line is work. Now we can say, oh, this is my first website. We can say, for example, I made this website with love. Okay, love. Now we can say, okay, now we will want a button. Okay, for example, we can say button, the closing tag and starting tag. In the middle we can say like click me. Okay, click me. Now we can click it. It's like a button. And there's a tag. A tag is like for hypertext. Okay, a tag is the link. When anything happens in the a tag, that will take us to a page. Okay, we will say a tag. In the href we will say the URL. Okay, first open it, then take your button, control arrow key, upper arrow key, then it will take us. Now it's in the, make sure it's in the h1. Okay, sorry, make sure it's in the a tag. Now we will say URL. Over here we can say https://youtube.com, for example. Now save it, Control S to save. Now we can click this website. Wait, it will take us to youtube.com. See, oh sorry, I misspelled. Oh, it's an error. Yeah, sorry. Let's go to our local host. Wait, sorry, copy the URL. Now stay here. Now it should take us to youtube.com. Okay, it didn't save, it's an error. Now let's take us to youtube.com. We can go back to our website. Now we will say like it's good that our website is done. Now we can name our websites like this. It's saying blah blah blah, it's not that much good. I can say title hello. Let's say title hello. Now save it, Control S to save. Now we can say hello. Okay, the website title is now hello. And you may now want like, bro, what the hell, the website is so bad looking. Okay, so that we can make it good looking using CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. Okay, now we will create a new file name style.css. You can replace the style with anything you want, or make sure it's ending with .css. Now we will include our CSS. For now we will say link CSS. Now for ironically our link is like the correct because we named it stylish CSS, and the real is style sheet. We are saying that the real will be style sheet, the type will be style sheet. Okay, now go to your stylish CSS, type body curly brackets, not a curly brackets, say background color blue. See, it's now turned into blue. We can name it red. It's now red. Now we can say blue. I reset it. Now we can say this color, whatever this is. Now it's pretty cool. We can say like, let's get H1. Okay, H1. Now we're targeting H1. All the H1 in the web pages will be the style like color equal, and you can say and as slice blue. Okay, see, the color is now different. Or if we make another like H1, see, is the color is same because it's H1. All H1 in the page will be this color. Let's just change it a bit like this. Yeah, this is way better. Now we can say H2 color gray. We can say, wait, do we have H2? H2 color gray. What? Wait, let me see. Like, okay, now we can notice it. Now we can say this color is looking colorful. Now we can say for now, for example, you want a specific element to be a different style. Okay, therefore IDs given. I can say the ID to be like the I make sure there's no spaces. I made, okay, I made for now. Lol. I will say ID hashtag I made, hashtag I made. Now we can say like color equal acquirement. Sorry, acquirement. See, it's acquirement. Now we will go then we can create another H2 for now. Okay, let's just delete it. Now I can make another H2. For example, see, it's not color that. Okay, we specified that we want the IMAID ID to be this color. Now we can say class. A class is like, for example, take an analogy. You're in like, sorry, a water. There's water, type of water. Okay, there's black water, there's sparkling water, but they all come in the class of water. Okay, we can now name it class equal water. Okay, class equal water. Now let's go. We do target dot water, the class name, open curly braces. Now say we can say like background color, let's say black. This color, whatever this is really not noticeable. Now we can see it's really colored differently. Now we can make the same the class a new h1, right? A new h1. Right. Now we're making a new h1. You can say class, we will say class water. Okay, the class will water. If you say this, see the background is, yeah, the color. Now there's, maybe you want your button to be more stylish, we can say id, use the id. Now we will say let's say button, and name it a bit different or else they will confuse it with the default button, button 3. I named it button 3. I will say button 3. Okay, button 3. Now we will say background color aquaman. Let's see, oh sorry, I forgot the hashtag because it's an id. Now we will say color to be, let's say blue violet. Now we can say the border color, hyphen color, can say to be black diamond or whatever, we can name it like gray. Okay, now this border radius, the border radius makes it a bit more roundy. See, it's like a bit more roundy, it's cool. For example, you are, so when they hover over the button, the icon with the cursor icon will be a click thingy, and now the background color will be changed. Okay, to do that, say hashtag button 3. It'll say background color, background, sorry, we will have to say hover, use the hover keyword, hover. Now we will say gray, so green yellow, for example. Now we are clicking, see the background color changes to green yellow. I will say color equal brown, for example. See the color changes to brown. Now we will say cursor pointer. Now I should say point to the button. It's really cool. It's a basic, so that's it. Now we will publish it to the website, sorry, the internet. Go to your web browser, type github.com, then sign up over here. You should see sign up there. If you're not signed in, for me it will be signed up. Wait, it's loading, taking so long. Okay, after loading it, then go ahead to create new, this thing, create new repository. Now it will bring us to a page, name it whatever you want, internet let's say YouTube testing. Okay, just like number or whatever you want, name it. Now go create repository, hit the repository button. Now over here you can say uploading an existing file. Okay, click on this. Now choose your files, click over here, then go to your file, go to YouTube or where you placed your project, then select all of those, not the folder, the files that are in the folder. Okay, so this and this, press shift and then select them all, then say open. Now it's uploading them. Then say commit changes. Now it may take some time. Okay, wait. Processing your files. After processing it, go ahead to settings. Over here, click settings. Now after coming to settings, go to pages. Now after coming to your pages, then go to none. In the drop down, say main, or you can see like master, as select anything that is not none. Okay, now leave it the same. Press save. Then it will save. Okay, save, and now it will take some time to deploy our project. Okay, so wait over here, wait and wait. Wait, refresh. It's not ready yet, so when will it be ready? Refresh in a few seconds. It will take some time. Okay, now it will say your site is live at this URL. Then click the URL. Now there we go, our website is online through the internet. Anyone can use this URL and come to your website. I hope so you enjoyed. If you enjoyed, then leave a comment. If you did, you enjoyed, and like the video if you want. Bye bye.